Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries PROTO-TRAK 3-axis CNC vertical mill model K2 SX3, serial number 101CM62769. This machine was new in 2010 and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has a 3-axis SMX control. It controls the QUILL, the X-axis and the Y. Right now we're running the spindle, which 1000 RPM. Yeah, this is a programmable spindle control through the control. 2500. You have two. You have a high and a low gear manually set. That's 3000 in the high. Again, it goes up to 4200. You can't even hear it. Let me get a little closer. All right, he's going into the low gear. Again, super quiet. 200. The machine has a 9x49 table with 33 inches of X travel. 500 in the low. Again, that's the QUILL. He's using the digital hand wheels. With the digital hand wheels, the machine has the tracking option. The machine control also has advanced features and networking. He's moving the Y-axis and he's moving the X-axis. He's also going to rapid them. That's your X. That's your Y and your Z. So those are your 3-axis. Again, you have manual knee as well. The knee would go up and down 16. Machine is an R8 spindle, but it has a Mach 1 quick change tooling system with tools. And hey, this is original paint. This is a real beauty. Thanks for watching.